Hey folks, Cody here, back with another beginner bluegrass guitar discussion actually. I've got some cool news to share with you here today, but first I want to say thank you, all of you folks who have been commenting down below my videos and my tutorials, saying how much my approach to teaching this style of music is helping you. So it makes my heart so happy to hear that this is helping you along and that I'm breaking this down in a way that's not overwhelming, that's not using extraneous information that just confuses you on this already sort of a difficult journey playing bluegrass guitar. I understand how difficult this is. This is actually one of the more difficult style of guitar playing to learn. It's notoriously difficult to learn. And so by seeing these comments here, I really do appreciate that. But not all the comments are all bells and whistles, and that's what I want to talk about in this video here today. So I've got a lot of positive feedback about my instruction inside my beginner bluegrass guitar course/membership Flatpick Foundations, but what most folks are saying that maybe isn't so positive is that the price tag on it is a bit steep, and I do understand that, so I want to fix that. And so starting today, February 1st, 2025, I've rearranged the pricing structure to get in there and start learning bluegrass guitar with me from basically the ground up. So the good news is there's now a cost-effective monthly no-risk option to get inside the course and start learning. If you have been frustrated with technique, if all the instructors on the internet tend to go too fast, or maybe they give you like a 35-minute history spiel on the tune and you're like, I just want to learn how to play, which is how I was when I learned this style of music at East Tennessee State University's Bluegrass and Old Time Country Music program. The most boring part of going through that when I wanted to learn how to play the instrument was sitting through the extra stuff that just didn't really get my fingers moving and grooving like I wanted them to, you know, like the history and, you know, semesters of writing papers about bluegrass folks, which great, there's tons of great history and I encourage you guys to go out and learn that, but in my course, it's teaching you how to play bluegrass guitar, and I instruct you in a way that is not going to get you frustrated where you're just going to quit and not want to come back and learn more. I'm really big on that when I educate folks, so I'm not just the guy on the internet teaching you bluegrass guitar. I've been in a classroom all across the world. I've gone and sat through seminars. I've went and taken tests in how to educate folks. And that is to say that I'm an educator, I'm an instructor, and your learning outcomes are important to me. And that's what I had in mind throughout the entire course. And so if you get in there, I think there's several months worth of learning already. I'm going to be adding to it over time, so you're going to get a continuous stream of new content. And this is geared for beginners. So if you want to learn bluegrass guitar nice and slow, where you're not overwhelmed in a way that's going to make you want to keep learning and progressing further and start putting all those crazy bluegrass runs together, hop on in there. There should be a pricing plan for everybody. We'll see you on the next video, folks. Bye-bye.